नरेंद्र मोदी ने सेना के खिलाफ, हिंदुस्तान के खिलाफ अग्निवीर योजना लागू की है। ये योजना हिंदुस्तान के किसी युवा को नहीं अच्छी लगती। जैसे ही हमारी इंडिया गठबंधन की सरकार आएगी, ये अग्निवीर योजना को उठा के हम बाहर फेंकेंगे, खत्म कर देंगे। इसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है। हिंदुस्तान को दो तरीके के शहीद नहीं चाहिए, एक शहीद चाहिए, एक तरीके का शहीद चाहिए। शहीद का दर्जा सबको मिले, पेंशन सबको मिले।
All right, we have Tom Vadakan of the BJP joining us on the broadcast. Mr. Vadakan, Rahul Gandhi says if India comes to power, they will do away with the Agniveer scheme. We don't want two types of martyrs.
Started dividing martyrs now. First it was dividing caste. Now he wants to divide martyrs. What is this gentleman up to? I mean, he has an opinion about a variety of things, but is he talking about starting something new? It's always negativity that he's exposing himself on. I mean, just imagine the system is working fine, there's recruitment happening, there's employment happening, the youth, the age of the army has come down, and it's a smooth going process. Just for popularity and power and to get votes, he will promise anything. I mean, his guarantees are all in the air, virtual. Not that we take it seriously, but this is a serious problem with this dynast. He speaks a language of negativity, and such negativity doesn't sell because these are promises he can make but won't be brought into practice. Let that be very clear. So what is he talking about?
All right, Tom Vadakan, thank you very much for joining us. We also have defense expert Wing Commander Praful Bakshi joining us. How do you look at this statement and Rahul Gandhi saying that the nation does not need two types of martyrs?
Absolutely. And to tell you the truth, it is quite a confused statement. You see, he was wanting to say something, but what he has said actually is meaningless. No, two types of martyrs, what he is trying to say, what he is trying to say is that if this person dies, he is also a martyr, but is not coming to, not being, taken as a martyr because he will not get the pension, he will not get this and that. Or, he is trying to bring out those things. Basically, he is trying to, as usual, because from opposition, he must oppose every possible scheme, every possible activity, what the ruling institution is carrying out. To tell you, actually, he has no clue that the Indian government has already said, in case there are some, there will be a study done, and if there is any problem, we'll rectify it, modify it, upgrade it, or whatever the case may be. It's not a closed and a shut case. So it is absolutely, totally clear what he is trying to say. He's just trying to make sure that the only institution which is in the country, which is actually supposed to be totally Indian institution, it is representing the entire masses of India, the Indian Army, he is trying to create a division in that by saying that these are different soldiers, these are different soldiers. It happens in every aspect, every armed forces. That there is a division. Some are short service commission, some are long term. So there is no problem. He's saying he's confused. He is trying to confuse.
Okay, you're saying Rahul Gandhi is confused. The statement, in fact, is not making any sense to you. Tom Vadakan also continues to be with us. In fact, Tom Vadakan, issue being used as an election issue, how do you look at it? Also, Rahul Gandhi, earlier said that the promises being made by the Bharatiya Janata Party are full of lies. He's also making predictions that the BJP won't cross 150.
I never knew he was an astrologer in the first place. He says what is scripted out to him. And what is scripted out to him is by a group who do not understand the Indian psyche. That is where the problem is. And as to the question of what he says about the army and what he talks about, he's trying to weaponize every institution. He's doing this all the time, and just to get into power, and that's through back door. No way, it's a one-way traffic right now. With him and the leadership. I'm sorry, this is a one-way track.
All right. Thank you very much, Tom Vadakan and Praful Bakshi for joining us with your views. Both say that this is a very, very confused statement as far as Rahul Gandhi talking about the Agniveer scheme is concerned. Pradeep Datta is with us on the broadcast. Pradeep, not the first time that Rahul Gandhi in fact has spoken against the Agnipath scheme or Agniveers. Let's first listen to the latest reaction and I'll come to you.
नरेंद्र मोदी ने सेना के खिलाफ, हिंदुस्तान के खिलाफ अग्निवीर योजना लागू की है। ये योजना हिंदुस्तान के किसी युवा को नहीं अच्छी लगती। जैसे हमारी इंडिया गठबंधन की सरकार आएगी, ये अग्निवीर योजना को उठा के हम बाहर फेंक देंगे, खत्म कर देंगे। इसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है। हिंदुस्तान को दो तरीके के शहीद नहीं चाहिए, एक शहीद चाहिए, एक तरीके का शहीद चाहिए। शहीद का दर्जा सबको मिले, पेंशन सबको मिले।
Well, not the first time that Rahul Gandhi has made statements against the Agnipath scheme. In the past, Rahul Gandhi has leveled allegations that the Agniveer scheme has been launched to save the pension money and that this money then will be used or diverted to fund the corporates. Let's listen into a reaction coming in from Manjinder Singh Sirsa on Rahul Gandhi's statement.
ने फिर से अग्निवीर योजना को खत्म करने की बात कही है। भागलपुर में उन्होंने कहा है हिंदुस्तान को दो तरीके के शहीद नहीं चाहिए, एक शहीद चाहिए और एक तरीके का शहीद चाहिए। किस तरीके से देख रहे हैं इस स्टेटमेंट को राहुल गांधी किया?
देखिए, राहुल गांधी जी पता नहीं कुछ खाकर ऐसी स्टेटमेंट देते हैं या जो उनको लिख कर देते हैं उनसे पढ़ा नहीं जाता, क्या कारण है? ये मुझे लगता है कि टोटल एक बहुत ही इनसेंसिटिव स्टेटमेंट है। आप कहते हैं कि हमें अपनी आर्मी में एक तरह के शहीद चाहिए। क्यों चाहिए भाई आपको शहीद? हमारे आर्मी आज एक सबसे ताकतवर आर्मी है जो दुश्मनों के सिर उतार कर लाती है, लेकिन इनको तो शहीद चाहिए। शहीद चाहिए तो आपको आर्मी की क्यों चाहिए? आप अपने घर में ऐसी बातें करें। बहुत ही घटिया किस्म की स्टेटमेंट है। हमारे आर्मी के प्रति ऐसी भावना रखना कि ये मारे जाएंगे, ऐसी भावना रखना कि हमें एक तरह के शहीद चाहिए, ये टोटल इनसेंसिटिविटी भी है और मूर्खताई की भी एक बहुत बड़ी निशानी है।
Right, so multiple reactions coming in on what Rahul Gandhi said about scrapping the Agniveer scheme. He said we don't need two types of martyrs. Thank you very much to the guests and thank you to Pradeep Datta as well for getting us the inputs. We'll keep tracking all the reactions on this big story on the other side as well.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।